You are going to love the 2013 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.